Every mile is my destination.
Every failure is my inspiration.
Every road is my nation.
I am a rider.
I live to ride.
Nothing comes between me and my bike.
I am a rider.
I will survive.
Hey, stop. This is not the right time to make your dream come true.
This is the emergency time to fight against this pandemic.
Be a fighter. Stay at home and stay safe. Let's see what Kolkata Race Club says.
Decision define destiny. Make it right. Stay home, stay safe.
Tough times don't last. So now stay at home, stay safe.
Enjoy every moment you have because there in this life there are no rewinds. So spend this time only with your family. Stay safe and stay at home.
The happiness is not around the corner, but we have to find it in the corner. So be safe, be happy, stay fit and stay at your home.
You can experience the pain of discipline or the pain of regret. Decision is yours. Stay safe, stay at home.
Precaution is better than cure. Stay home or in hospital. Your choice. Be safe.
Do something today so that in future you can thank yourself. Stay home, stay safe.
Great thing never come from comfort zone. So stay home, be safe.
Age is a question of mind over matter. If you don't mind, it doesn't matter. But stay home, stay safe, and maintain social distancing.
Sometimes we are tested not to show our weakness, but to discover our strength. Be strong, stay safe.
Whatever brings you down will eventually make you stronger. Stay at home, stay safe.
God has something better for us, but now we have to wait for it. Stay safe and stay at home.
It's not the right time to be light-hearted. It's a time to stay at home, stay safe, take care of yourself and your wellness. Thank you.
No plans, no maps, no rules, no GPS. This time, wash your hand, get sanitized, stay at home and stay safe. Don't let the fear of what could happen making nothing happen by staying at home, stay safe.
Everything is believe in yourself. If you have belief in yourself, then you can make anything happen. Impossible is just an option, so stay safe, stay at home, wear mask.
If God brings you to it, He will surely brings you through it. So stay home, stay safe.
No road is too long if you have a good company. But now enjoy your company with your family and stay safe in this pandemic.
Success does not just find you. You have to go out and get it. But not now. It's time to stay at home, stay safe.
Hello everyone, I hope you guys are alright and safe at your place. As you all know that we are going through a very tough situation where the entire world is at war against coronavirus. In this tough time where there is death, where there is depression, where there is anxiety, where there are a lot of fear in the minds of people, we have our unsung heroes, our healthcare professionals, our doctors, nurses, the hospitals, the healthcare centers, even the army personnel and the police who are putting in their best efforts so that we can live a better life, we can have a better future. It is their prolonged effort, the hard work that they are putting round the clock, so that because of which we can have the liberty of being safe at our place, being safe in our home. So a big thanks to all these fighters who are fighting, who are actually putting in their services in the name of mankind. Thank you everyone. A big thanks to all of them. Thank you.
Thank you all doctors, nurses, all medical service provider, police, army, all emergency service provider. Thank you all. Thank you to serve during this pandemic situation. Thank you.
Namaskar. मैं मुकेश कुमार पाइन, मैं तहे दिल से धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूँ उन सारे डॉक्टर्स, हेल्थ वर्कर, पुलिस और इमरजेंसी सर्विसेज से जुड़े सारे लोगों को जो इस महामारी के वक्त दिन रात मेहनत करके हम लोगों के सेवा में लिप्त है। और मैं भगवान से ये प्रार्थना करूंगा कि इस महामारी से हम लड़के जल्द से जल्द इस पे विजय पा सके। और इसीलिए हम सभी को घर में रहना होगा और घर में रहकर इस महामारी के खिलाफ लड़ना होगा। सो स्टे होम, बी सेफ। जय हिंद। ধন্যবাদ জানাবো সমস্ত প্রশাসন বিভাগকে, ডাক্তার, নার্স এবং সমস্ত এমার্জেন্সি সার্ভিস প্রোভাইডাররা যারা এই রকম প্যান্ডেমিক সিচুয়েশনে আমাদেরকে রক্ষা করে চলেছে। তারা সত্যি হিরো বলতে পারা যায়। অ্যান্ড তাদেরকে অসংখ্য অসংখ্য শতকোটি প্রণাম আমার তরফ থেকে। আমি সবসময় প্রার্থনা করব যে তারা এই ঝড় থেকে খুব জলদি যেন তাড়াতাড়ি বেরিয়ে আসতে পারে। আমরা প্রে করব সবসময় তারা যেন ভালো থাকুক, সুস্থ থাকুক, ভালো থাকুক।
I wholeheartedly thanks the living God, our doctors, nurses and the staff of the health clinics and hospitals, and also the policemen, the administration who control this situation with a hearty touch. Thank you all from the bottom of my heart.
Coronavirus and COVID-19. The whole world is frightened with these two names. But there are some brave soldiers who are standing in the first row to protect our life and health from this pandemic. Yes, I'm here to thank all those doctors, policemen, nurses and the social workers who are devoting their 24/7 time to protect us. I salute these heroes.
In this hour of crisis, when there is death everywhere, there is fear everywhere, there is apprehensions everywhere, we have our warriors, we have our doctors, we have our frontline healthcare centers, healthcare officers, we have the army jawans, and all people who are working in this hour of crisis for the entire humanity. I give a long salute to everybody. It is because of them that I at home feel safe, my family feels safe. It is because of them that we are able to survive this difficult time. It is because of them that I have the luxury to stay at home and carry out my daily activities from home. So, ending up my regards for them and a true salute to all these fighters.
Hi guys, this is Saurabh from Kolkata Bikes Club, and actually I made this video to let you know that as passionate riders, we all we have to be very patient right now, because the world is going on through a lot of tough situation and a lot of unholy things going on around the world right now. And at this moment we cannot just have that attitude to drop a gear and just disappear. So at this time we have to maintain a lot of social distancing, take care of our elders, and live healthy, eat healthy, stay healthy, and mostly you have to maintain social distancing. And to all those lovely people out there who are actually supporting us, providing us with all the essential commodities that we need right now, to all the doctors, nurses and policemen who are working tirelessly to ensure our safety in these tiring times. I actually extend my warm regards to them, because they are doing a wonderful job right there. And that's it actually. You have to maintain social distancing right now and have to have a lot of patience. Thank you.
হ্যালো এভরিওয়ান, আমরা একটা কঠিন সময়ের মধ্যে দিয়ে যাচ্ছি, কিন্তু আমরা বাঁচবই এবং সবাইকে নিয়ে বাঁচব। এছাড়া আমাদের কোনো রাস্তা নেই। আমাদেরকে সবার সঙ্গে একসঙ্গে কাজ করে যেতে হবে। সকলকে অসংখ্য ধন্যবাদ যারা মেডিকেল সেকশনে চাকরি করছেন, যারা পুলিশে, যারা আর্ম ফোর্সে, বিশেষ করে নার্সিং স্টাফ এবং ডক্টরদের। এদের সাহায্য ছাড়া জগৎটাকে আমরা চালাতে পারতাম না। আপনাদেরকে অসংখ্য অসংখ্য ধন্যবাদ। আমরা বাইকিং গ্রুপ কবে যে রাইড করতে পারবো জানি না, কিন্তু যতদিন না আমরা করোনাকে পরাস্ত করতে পারছি ততদিন আমরা রাইডে যাব না। আমরা ঘরে থাকবো, আমরা সকলকে ঘরে রাখবো, বাবা মা ভাই বোন পরিজনদের দেখাশোনা করব, বিশেষ করে বয়স্কদের দেখাশোনা করব এবং অবশ্যই করোনা যুদ্ধে জয়ী হব।
Hi, and one thing that I'm very much thankful to our doctors, army, police, and medical staffs and all emergency services to handle this situation to their own way, and very much thankful about their services and whatever they are handling these situations. It's very appreciated. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
We also thanks the Army Force and the Police Force for the maintaining the lockdown and making people aware of the seriousness of the situation. Thank you so much.
I like to thank you to the doctors, police, army, medical staff and all other health and emergency service providers who are working round the clock to keep us safe. Thank you very much.
সকল ডাক্তার, আর্মি, পুলিশ, মেডিকেল স্টাফ এবং এমার্জেন্সি সার্ভিস প্রোভাইডারদের আমার আন্তরিক শুভেচ্ছা।
We all know that the current situation is very dangerous in all over the world. We are all suffered from a virus named COVID-19. So, in this typical situation, some people, the frontline warriors like police, army, doctors, nurse, health workers, everyone who support us, who help us to overcome this situation, tirelessly, effortlessly, they are doing their job without thinking their own lives. We, Kolkata Bikers Club, really thankful and appreciated to those workers and salute them, respect them. Thank you. Jai Hind.
ধন্যবাদ ধন্যবাদ সেই সব ডাক্তারদের যারা অক্লান্ত পরিশ্রম করে চলেছে এই করোনা ভাইরাসকে রুখতে। ধন্যবাদ সেই সব নার্স তথা সহকর্মীদের যারা তাদের জীবনের ঝুঁকি নিয়ে 24 ঘন্টা অক্লান্ত পরিশ্রম করে চলেছে। ধন্যবাদ সেই পুলিশ কর্মীদের, ধন্যবাদ মিডিয়ার লোকদের, ধন্যবাদ সেই সব ইমার্জেন্সি সার্ভিসের লোকদের যারা নিজের জীবনের ঝুঁকি নিয়ে সবসময় আমাদের পাশে আছে এবং থাকবে। ধন্যবাদ সেই সকলকে।
In this pandemic situation where we are not allowed to go out from your home, so my heart goes out to each and every emergency workers, our policemen, our doctors, our nurses, each and everyone who are giving their effortless time to save us. Thank you so much in this situation. You mean the world to us.